So hello everyone. I hope you are fine. You enjoying the quarantine. So let's just wait for a couple of people to be online, and then I can start to explain how how we will draw here and define the matches for our first Terra Mystica League, and how we will distribute the players among the matches. So let's give 1-2 minutes to more people to be online. So meantime, we have, let me see how many people are online currently. Just two. Okay. So who is online? You can say hello, so we can know that you are online. So let's start to define our matches of our first Terra Mystica League, Innopolis Terra Mystica League. We had Alexander Grichenko. Okay, so good. I have a witness. So how you define our matches? We have 10 players. We have 10 players for our first tournament. So refreshing here their names. Sorry for my internet, it sucks. So here we have 10 players. So here we are. And each player will play 3 games. So in this first phase, each player will play 3 games. And in each game, with each match, so points will be distributed for the position, second position, third, and fourth position. And at the end of this first stage, when we compute the results of all the games when they finish, the top 5 players with more accumulated points will go to the final. In case of a tie, we will use the points for that you score in each game. So it will be used as a tiebreaker. So for example, me and Alexander Grinchenko, we finished with the same punctuation using this first, second, third position, so on and so forth. So the points that we score in each game, the total sum will be used as a tiebreaker criterion. It's just my problem that my stream lag a lot. Yeah, there's a YouTube Live has a really big, considerable delay between around 2 minutes. So there will be 2 minutes between you write a question. No, I talk, you write a question, and I hear I can read your answer. So there's a long delay. Fortunately, this video will be online after we finish. So each player will play 3 games. So let's say first we will choose Luis Jonathan, which games he will play. So there are 10 games. I need to appear 3 times in these 10 games. So I will roll a d10. I will roll a d10. So in this case, I will play in match 7, match 2, and match 6. So I will appear in these 3 matches. So for the first match, 7, what will be I'll be the first player to the starting player, the second, the third, fourth, or fifth. It does matter because it's the order in which you choose your factions. So I'll choose which match and which the position. In this case, I will play the match 6 and I will be the fourth player. The next one, match 8, and I will be the fourth player again. They're just fourth? Okay. In this case, 6. I don't know. When the 6 appear, probably I need to roll again. So I roll again. It was a coincidence, but then this will be the one official, the second row. So match 2 and roll the third position. So for the first players, probably it would be easier. But when we have like a match 3, I already am in the match 3. So we will apply the open addressing hashing technique, if you remember from DSA. So I'm already in match 3. So probably for for uh, for the first place, not a problem because it's everything empty. But for the next place, probably we should use open addressing. Match 3 is busy, so I'll go to match 4. So let's start. Now we start. Let's start with the exceptions. I will start with 2 exceptions. Since I'm organized the tournament, I am entitled to create exceptions. My exceptions will be Elena, Mike, and Gleb probably should play together because they are beginners. So this just to be more fair with them because it's their first game. So Elena, Mike, and Gleb will appear together. So they can have more chances of scoring games to be easier for them. Maybe not Elena. Elena already played the game before, but Gleb and Mike they're relatively new to the game. So Gleb and Mike will appear in the same games. So let's start with Gleb. Gleb will be our first player to determine which matches he will play. So let's start. Gleb, here you are. Match 6. Ah no, there is no position 6, so we will roll again. So match 7, fifth player. So Gleb, match 7, fifth player. And because Mike will be in the same matches, let's see match which position Mike will be. We will consider just the D6 row. He cannot be the fifth player. Fifth player again. Fifth player again. Fifth. There's something wrong. No, second player. So here it is, Mike. Mike testing. So next match, second match of Gleb. Gleb's second match will be 3, and he will be the second player. Gleb, match 3, second player. Mike will be also in the match 3. And let's see we'll consider just the D6 row. Second player, he cannot because it's Gleb. Fifth player. Okay. And finally, the third match of Gleb. 6, 4 position. Fourth. 6, fourth. Gleb. And now